Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open the voice recorder app from the Samsung folder on your phone. Grant microphone and storage permissions when prompted to allow recording and saving. Choose a quiet location and hold the phone steady about 3 to 6 inches from your mouth. For better clarity, use an external mic through the 3.5 jack or USB-C adapter. Check settings for file format options like MP3 or WAV and choose 44. 1 KHC, 16-bit for balanced quality and file size. Tap record to start speaking and tap pause to interrupt without saving. When finished, tap stop, and the file saves automatically in the voice recorder folder. Open the recording and use trim or split to remove unwanted sections and save edited clips as new files. Rename files using descriptive titles and timestamps like 2025-11-2110-30 to stay organized. Move large sessions to an SD card or cloud backup to avoid filling internal storage quickly. Open app settings to enable noise reduction and low latency mode for clearer audio and sync. Select WAV for highest fidelity or MP3 at 128 kbps when you need smaller files and portability. If recording calls, check local laws and carrier limits because call recording may be restricted. To transfer files, plug the phone into a computer via USB and use My Files to copy the voice recorder folder. Alternatively, share by Bluetooth or upload to your cloud account for remote access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.